Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update GitHub Pages CSS for fast UI iteration, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your GitHub Pages CSS for fast UI iteration, open your preferred code editor. Next, navigate to the folder that contains your GitHub Pages project. Locate the CSS file you want to edit, which is often named styles.css or similar. Open the CSS file in your code editor to start making changes. Make the necessary updates to the CSS rules for the elements you want to style. For a quick preview, save the file after each change you make. Now, open your web browser and navigate to your GitHub Pages site. To see the changes, you may need to refresh the page. If the changes do not appear, you may need to clear your browser's cache. Alternatively, you can use an incognito window to bypass cache issues. To automate CSS updates, consider using a tool like Live Reload or Browser Sync. These tools will automatically refresh your browser whenever you save changes in your CSS file. If you are using Jekyll, a static site generator, ensure you save your changes in the correct directory. You can also add an additional line in your CSS file to force the browser to update. Add a query string at the end of the CSS file link in your HTML, like var equals 1.1. This tricks the browser into thinking it's a new file. As you make further changes, update the version number accordingly. If you are using Git, remember to commit your changes regularly. Use a clear commit message to describe each update for future reference. When you're satisfied with the changes, push your commits to your GitHub repository. Finally, verify your live GitHub Pages site to ensure all updates are reflected correctly. With these steps, you can streamline your CSS updates for faster UI iteration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.